Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL Tab 10, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. To do it, you just need to remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector on your device. I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way to the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So, firstly, we need to insert one part of the brush into the connector. As you can see here, we have the connector. We need to insert the one part of the into the connector and just take the dirt out. So, cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.